Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM31 blades are making a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This issue can arise from worn-out bearings or a misalignment of the blades. If left unresolved, it could lead to more severe damage, ultimately affecting the performance of your Thermomix. To carry out this repair, you'll need a set of screwdrivers, a replacement blade assembly, a pair of pliers, and some lubricant. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any accidents. To open the device safely, use a screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base. Carefully lift off the lid and set it aside. Once open, locate the blade assembly. This is typically found at the bottom of the bowl. If you notice any debris or damage around it, this could be the source of the noise. To extract the blade assembly, use the pliers to grip the base and gently twist while pulling upwards. Make sure to apply even pressure to avoid damaging the surrounding components. Be cautious of any wires connected to the motor, you don't want to accidentally disconnect them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have removed the faulty assembly, take your replacement blade and position it into the bowl. Ensure it's aligned correctly before pressing it down firmly. Use the screwdriver to secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened sufficiently to prevent any movement during use. Before closing the device, plug it back in briefly to check if the noise persists. If everything sounds smooth and functioning well, you can proceed to reattach the lid. Carefully align it and press down until you hear it click into place. Now, your Thermomix should be ready for use without any grinding noise. To avoid this issue in the future, ensure that you regularly clean the blades and check for any signs of wear. Keeping your Thermomix well maintained will prolong its life and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.